Hi, I'm Mr. Wig. Today I came to Combe. It's the 1st of April, it's not a joke, and the forecast was supposed to be okay. And you know what? It's raining. How many times this happened? For years and years and years, they say one thing, something else happened. It's not a joke. I just arrived here. It's 10 in the morning. There's lots of cars coming. There's a big queue, so I'm surprised. I'm gonna make the best out of the worst. This show is called the Spring Action Day here at the Combe. Not only is a car show, you can take your car on a track. Something that I wouldn't advise because today the weather is terrible. For sure we'll be here. Awesome cars, I don't have no doubt whatsoever. Let's go. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. Wick channel. As you know, I do like to make videos about cars, motorcycles, caravans, my own life, challenge, food reviews. Really? Oh, are you kidding me? Please, no F words in my channel. Holy moly! So let's do this epic video. Stay tuned.
Center of attention, they all want some. I'm like fire, hot as the sun. The dance floor is burning, call 911. Hands on my body, I'm loving the heat, but it won't come easy. Nothing's for free. If you want me, then prove it, baby. For
I couldn't miss for the world. The cars of Viking views. This Mitsubishi is stunning. Look at these canard mirrors. Hello you. Haha. Wait for your stuff, buddy. American cars, they are big and beautiful. A Volkswagen Caddy. What is that? A Volkswagen Golf R on air ride. This is stunning in blue. Love the wheels. Vauxhall Astra VXR. How much airbrush is being done into this van? Awesome, these two Honda Civics together. Volkswagen Caddy, looks amazing. Nice, this Lamborghini Huracan. Look at this BMW 3 Series on air ride. Love the set of wheels. This car is really stunning. A Nissan Silvia S15 looks amazing actually in pink and with some parts in carbon. What a nice detail. Wow, look at this. Ooh. What's happened here? Look what happened there. I just got stuck. Would you help me? Cheers, brother.
No, I'll video you. I'll video you there.
Are you kidding me? How that happened? Thanks, brother. Really appreciate it. Sorry about that. Look at that. It's got a turbo conversion, this Mini. Nice detail on this engine. Awesome. This Mitsubishi Evo 8. This looks stunning, actually. Oh my goodness, what a beauty. Oriental noodles. Oh, I just opened my appetite. The BMW M3. Awesome car. Golf R, BMW 3 Series. Nice Honda Type R. These cars, they are so cheap. A Ford Mustang here. They are so wet, so it's easy for them to drift. Look at these awesome cars. Renault Clio, Vauxhall Nova, and a Vauxhall Astra in pink. Awesome, look at that Ford Fiesta ST in white, looks stunning. Look at that. Is that full of mud? That Ford Fiesta. I know it's been wrapped, sorry. A Vauxhall Omega? Is that right? That is so rare. Hyundai, oh, it looks nice. It's been wrapped in this yellow and black. Let's see that, the Volkswagen Caddy. There's hundreds or maybe thousands of cars here. This is incredible. The Suzuki Swift, nice, it's got a full roll cage. My goodness, I reckon this is fast. Plenty of Megans and Clios here today. Look at that, look at the amount of water. The water's supposed to stop by now. Awesome cars here. BMW E46 there, the E36 with the wide body kit, looks amazing. Honda Type R, the Peugeot 308. I had one of those a good couple of years ago. BMW Z4, Nissan 350, the Micra, and the Vauxhall Corsa. Mitsubishi Evo 8 in midnight purple. A Nissan S14 looks amazing.
going down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money, make you look so lovely, never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex, dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah. You're my island, tray of diamonds. It was fake, help me find you. You're a blessing, reminiscent of the time when I found myself guessing. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money, make you look so lovely, never feeling lonely. Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex, dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah, ooh girl, nah nah. Make me go crazy. Make me go crazy.
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting.
Guys, I'm gonna end my video here at Combe. I'm here with my good friends, Viking Views.
Always a pleasure.
Yeah, these guys, they do awesome content.
Not
you
as
know,
good as him, he's the best.
I tell you what, there's good things happen.
Yeah,
We'll
man.
make awesome videos actually together. It's going to be a big surprise. You're welcome. For me,
Oh,
it's an
yeah.
honor and a pleasure.
Oh,
privilege
definitely,
also.
every time.
Yeah, thanks, brother. I do watch your videos and I do like them. Something new,
Same.
fresh, and very quirky.
Thank you.
Stay tuned. Big things coming with us lot this year.
Yeah,
straight.
big
This
surprise.
guy can't believe his luck. He's witnessing this being filmed in person. It's all right. We won't put you in. You're all right.
Tell you what, there's cars now going on a track. Actually, it's easy for them to drift. There's an awesome cars I saw here. Did enjoy to see, and I found your car. There's a big surprise. I want to say congratulations to both these guys. Thanks for coming here. Thanks for finishing the video with me.
No, thanks for having us, man.
I had so much fun. The rain almost. They are doing it on
Nice, you're on a
purpose.
racetrack.
Awesome cars here.
Yeah, man.
Look at that, the van, guys. There's a van coming. Are you kidding me? Is that a Ford Transit? It is. Wow, a Ford Transit.
Big spec.
Oh, look at that. I know it's a Transporter. Transporter T5. Are you kidding me? Place.
RBB is filming Mr. Wiggs outro. There you are. He's happy now. He's in the video.
Yeah, cool. You made my day, guys. I saw awesome cars here. The rain still didn't destroy this show. What it was good. The forecast actually was good to be okay for today.
Yeah.
It wasn't. Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't care. I'm
Could
always
have been
here.
worse.
Yeah, and I'm happy. You made my day. I
Yeah.
got a surprise for them, really. So watch the video. There's a surprise for both of you.
Thank you very much.
So when this
can't even
video,
imagine.
yeah, you don't have no idea what I did to your car.
Here we go.
Awesome, yeah, and that's what this life is about. Enjoy, be happy. I tell you what, guys, come to a show like this, because sometimes you feel low or whatever. I live on my own and I'm here smiling. Be strong. Life is too short, guys. It is. So
Definitely.
really enjoy. I have to say, always. This show did at the Vava room.
It was a good one, and you've only made it better.
Thank you, guys. It's always a surprise, and I'm happy to see you both. Whoa! Did I hear the big bang there? Shakalalulu. Stay tuned.
Shakalalulu, guys.
Thank you. Stay tuned for another 10 years of Mr. Vic's videos, guys. You are all awesome. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.